Alrighty guys, it is Coulter. I'm here at Jonathan Silva's home. We just got done taking a look at overall this whole entire downstairs bathroom. There's a couple different projects we will be doing to help them. They were having some issues with water leaking into the other walls, I'll show you, and things like that through the drains, so we want to get that taken care of for them. First off, what we're going to do is we're going to start with the shower drain. So I put my camera into it. There's a blockage at the very bottom of the P-trap, as well as what looks to be a disconnection in the pipe right above that. So what we're going to do is we're going to jackhammer out the tile here and expose the whole entire P-trap of this drain. We're going to cut the P-trap out, replace it from the cast iron with new piping. Once it is opened up, we are also going to do a coat and epoxy through the drain. So the straight portion of the drain running over towards the sewer, which is in this direction, we are going to coat and epoxy through that so that we can get a sealant all the way through there, and they'll never have to worry about jackhammering the whole entire pipe. We did discuss if the pipe isn't in sufficient condition that the job may have to change and more jackhammering may need to be done, but overall the plan is to coat and epoxy the straight pipe and then jackhammer the P-trap out as well as the drain, replace everything there, and patch it with concrete. Customers understand that the tile work they would be responsible for if they want to redo that, but we will take care of smoothing and relaying the concrete work for them so that it is capable of that. Moving over here with the toilet, what we are going to do to help them here is there's a lot of rust built up throughout their cast iron toilet drain. We will be doing a coat and epoxy through the toilet drain all the way over here, where right about in this location there's a floor drain back there, and how the sewer runs, it runs this way, goes into this room, and then another maybe 10 feet or so is where it goes to the foundation wall. We will be doing a coat and epoxy job from the toilet all the way over to the foundation wall. Measuring out is about 22 feet. So we will be doing a coat and epoxy all the way to there to help them seal that pipe so that they never have to jackhammer it up and replace it. Once the foundation of the home changes, it goes to Orangeburg, and we have plans to fix that in the future, but right now this is the main concern. So obviously we'll be stopping once it goes to Orangeburg. So that is the second job we will be doing for them in this scenario for the coat and epoxy the toilet. The third job has to do with the sink. Underneath it, the piping going in is blocked up severely, lots of rust, lots of sludge. So we are going to do a repipe. Now, I'm discussing with the customers here, our best access point could possibly be in front of it, or here in this room, there's an open closet right on the other side of that. Our plan is to use this side. If it's more convenient, upon the customer's request, we can use the front side, but we will be repiping the drain, and then once the drain goes into the ground, we will be doing a coat and epoxy through the rest of that cast iron lining as well, just so that we can completely improve that drain and help them avoid ever having to jackhammer that out of the ground again. So we will do a combination repipe / coat and epoxy work here. Customers understand they are responsible for sheetrock repairs if they desire to. And I also told them that we would replace the P-trap here because it wasn't in very good condition when we had that opened up either too, and get that kitchen or that bathroom sink reconnected for them. So overall, a repipe here plus a coat and epoxy, toilet, a full coat and epoxy all the way to the foundation exit of the home, and then here jackhammering, replacing the P-trap and the drain there, and doing a coat and epoxy all the way through the drain until it meets up with the main sewer line. So I'll show you the backside of it if that helps at all. As you can see, there's a lot of water coming out underneath from the separation we were able to diagnose. Big problem there. And the reason the fan on was in this room as well is from that exact same issue. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to call me. Happy to help any way I can. They understand all of the conditions with the terms we have set right now, and if anything needs to change, we can adapt to that as well. But appreciate it, guys. Thank you.